Water flossing versus string floss. Does water flossing replace string floss, or do you need to do them both? Hi guys, my name's Heather. I'm here to answer that question today. I'm a dental hygienist, and I am here to tell you that the water flosser doesn't replace the need for string floss. I know, it's an extra tool, and you guys already spend 5 to 10 minutes brushing your teeth, and you don't want to add another tool, so you want water flossing to replace string floss. But the teeth are really close together, so the teeth are touching like this, and if we're just water flossing, we're only getting underneath the contact. We're not breaking the contact with the floss, and that's where cavities love to form. So a lot of the times patients come in, and if they're only water flossing, their gums look beautiful, the outsides of their teeth look beautiful, but they can still have decay right in between their teeth. That's where the string floss will get to. Water flossing is an oral irrigator, so it irrigates water underneath the gum tissue, but it's not strong enough to break the contact between the teeth. If someone has a full mouth of crowns and bridges and no natural teeth, you can totally get away with just water flossing, because when two crowns are touching, you can't get a cavity there, but you can get a cavity underneath, and that's where a water flosser would get. But if you have natural teeth and they're touching, you need to make sure that you're using the string floss, and you still want to go all the way down to the gum line and take your time with it. Just because you're doing the water flosser, you don't want to go super fast when doing the flossing, because it can cause floss cuts and irritation. So you just want to make sure that you're still taking your time with the string floss, and then getting in there with the water flosser after to flush out any bacteria that you just disrupted with the string floss. Now, another question you might have is, can you use string floss in replace of flossers? And you can. So as long as you're using those flossers properly, then you're not just popping in and out. I love flossers as long as you use them right. So you still slide in, make that C shape, pull it against the tooth, and then push it against the other one and go up and down, making that C shape, hugging against the tooth. And if you're doing it properly, flossers can totally replace string floss. So you can either use string floss and the water flosser, but you can't just use the water flosser. And of course, you want to brush and hopefully oil pull and tongue scrape and do all the good things. But that's what I wanted to tell you guys today, that water flossing does not replace string floss. It's a great adjunctive tool. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.